Hi guys, welcome back. It's me Kiwi and I'm starting a new series on this channel. So I am basically gonna make a mystery avatar in this game by spinning the wheel. So let's start. Okay, I'll go with the second one. Let's spin again. I'll go with the second one again. Second one again, I guess. First one. Nah, third one. Actually second. Let's spin again. Let's go with the third one. Last spin. Let's do third. I'm a pick and emote. Oh my god. Wow. Comment down below. 6 times. Either the number 1, 2, or 3. And if I choose you, I'll use it in the next video. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.